Hello and welcome back. I'm sure you enjoyed that little break. We left here with the two errors, so I'll go and fix that. Also, I forgot to finish the main program, so that could be it. So I will call the ADXL init here. ADXL init. Copy this. Go to your main program. You don't need that because that's been called. Paste it here. Okay, now you need to tag this with the data. That's the another step. So you just tag that by putting a small while loop, while of 1, and you write here the data mapping. So ADXL read values of the data start address, which is Asina 0 cross 32 hex. And then you need to link the X, Y, Z. So I'll write one and copy this. X of data receive of 1, receive of the first, shifted to 8 times, and then simply R this with data receive of 0, data receive of 0, and this is X. So likewise you need to do it for Y and Z. X, this will be Y, data will be here. If this is 0, this is 1, then this will be 2, and this will be 3, yeah. And then the Z mapping, and this will be Z. If this is 3, then this will be 4, this will be 4, and this will be 5. Yeah, and then map this with the axis xg with the value of x times 0.0078, which is nothing but 1 divided by 128 will give 0.0078 value. So you copy this and then link it to YG and ZG. Copy that, YG and ZG. So this is Y, and this will be ZG. Okay. Now let's save and run the program to check for any errors. Build the project. I2C1 of init. It's not the data format R undeclared You mean data format underscore. Oh, I think I made a spelling. Data format. Did you mean data for amped? Okay, so I made a spelling typo. I2C init. To see one init. ADXL init. We're calling this I2C init here in the ADXL. I2C1 underscore INIT. I2C1. Just making sure. I2C1 underscore INIT. I2C1 underscore INIT. Yeah, that's okay. Format ADXL write data format R4G. Okay, what did I write here in the declaration? This is the culprit. Data for amped should be mat. A format underscore register space. You got to write 0 cross 31. Let's check now. Save. Right click. Build the project. Building 31%. Okay, 0 errors, and that's really good. So I have connected the ADXL 345. So I'll go and do the debug as configure the debug configuration. So make sure it's connected to that. First you need to choose STM32, so that's the Day25 2C part. So make sure you are linking to that ELF file. So you need to go to LCD, I2C, target, Day25, debug, and make sure it is this ELF file. Yeah, open. So that's linked. And go to debugger, enable the ST link, and enable the serial wire viewer, apply, and then hit debug. In the meantime, I will also open the pulse view and connect that pulse view. Pulse view. Right click. Debug as STM32 application. You need to select Day25, OK, and then run. I2C part 3 ALF, yes, and debugger. I'm sure I enable this. Enable, apply, okay. Okay, now it's connecting. So I'm opening the pulse view to show you the waveforms of PB8 and 9. Opening pulse view as well. It's scanning for the connections. I can see the light flash. Okay, I think too many pulse views are opening on the back. So I will cancel this scan, cancel this. Cancel this as well, and then click to switch. Lost my mouse, I'm just waiting. Just one sec. Okay. It's still connecting to the hardware, which is really good. 93%. Wait for it to hit to 100% and then we'll open the logic analyzer. Download verified successfully. That is good. We are in the program debug mode. So I will open the pulse view. We don't want that. We need only one, so I'll close this as well. So I'll open this, keep this, and I'll go and hit run here. Program is running. Also come and run this pulse view and stop and zooming in to get data. Okay, there is some data happening on D0 and D1. So D0 I connected to PB8 and D1 should be connected to PB9, which I will do another connect to device check. Scan. I'll turn off and on. Scan, yes, then OK. By default it shows all the 8 bits from the channel, so all I do is go and run here first and then go here and do a run, This will start to generate all the values. Okay, if you zoom in, these bits, these are all the data bits, the point. Zooming out, so there is some transition happening. Okay, it works, so I'll just stop. So this is how the data gets read, and this is how you got to send and check the data to verify. So this is a long session, and I hope you got a lot out of it. You try from your end, you also write the program and try with your hardware, and also you will face the same results, and it will work for you as well. So I'll start here. We have written all the ADXL commands and also the read address, the main program we did. So we learned the whole I2C about what I2C is, and we compared the differences between I2C and SPI, and we started learning line by line code writing from I2C init to the ADXL 345 interface, which is good, and I'm sure you got a lot out of this. As I say to you all the time, you have to also set your mind as well. So I have to make these 2 points to you today. So what you sow, you shall reap. So if you throw positive energy out, throw positive feelings, positive attitude, then you will get all the positiveness back. In other words, if you throw negative things out, then you'll get negative returns. So that's why whatever you throw, that comes back at you. So please stay positive, and if you follow that through, staying positive, and everything will fall into its place. So please be positive and work towards it, and everything will happen. Don't forget the mindset involvement. Write down your top 10 goals and write down your top 10 ideas to achieve your goals. Please spend at least 30 minutes to do your exercise, and spend another 15 minutes to meditate and pray, and 10 minutes to visualize to actually achieving your goal, and then another 10 minutes to do your daily plan activities, and 2 hours of learning will give you 2 points. So please post all your achievements in this group, so everyone will learn from each other and motivate from each other, and this is for your own benefit. There's combo internship coming up 2 year way. I divided this into 3 different courses, so please buy the 3 courses to get the whole experience of Cortex M4 series. And then please stay tuned further along. All these courses are in progress, and you'll be the first person to know once it's ready to be downloaded to upscale your skill. And I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your patience to go through with me to learn this I2C communication protocol over the last 3 sessions. Please go and enjoy and have this lovely break from your screen. And this is Arul Anbukarasu. I am signing off on behalf of A2DG. Huru for now. I'll catch you in the next session. Until then, take care. Bye for now.